Hi guys, my name is Keith O'Neill. I am a physical education teacher at Topeka Public Schools located in Topeka, Kansas. This is my first year teaching in Topeka Public Schools. Just a little bit about myself. I am 27 years old. I just turned 27 February 12th. I graduated with my undergrad from Missouri Valley College, where I also played football and ran track. Uh, I have a master's through the University of Missouri. It is through the Department of Educational Schooling, Counseling, and Psychology, but the program is called Positive Coaching. Uh, I Fun facts about me: I love sports. I'm a real active guy. I love working out. I'm a real big football guy. I'm actually a football coach. Uh, I had the opportunity to coach on the collegiate level at my alma mater, Missouri Valley College. I also coached a year back home in my home state in Texas, excuse me, in Jasper, Texas. I did that for a year. I also coached a year in Missouri at Winnetonka High School, and I plan on coaching this upcoming year for Topeka Public School District. I'm a avid learner when it comes to just learning new information. When it comes to technology, I feel like I am on that scale of pretty much understanding most things when it comes to technology. I feel like I am a technology guy. I feel like I was the guy that kind of grew up in the age when technology became big. So anything that comes with devices and uh, gizmos and whatnot, I'm actually intrigued by that. Uh, I have two boys. My oldest son is Kendrick O'Neill. He's 5, and my youngest son is Keegan O'Neill, and he is 2. They were both born here in Missouri. I also have an English Bulldog Muffin. Give me one second. She's a shy one, but that's my girl Muff. I've had her for about going on, let's say, 4 years now. And that's pretty much everything about me in a nutshell. I don't know why my computer screen is showing black and white on my screen. Maybe because our computers are kind of old and outdated for the district to give us, and maybe we'll be upgrading soon to newer laptops. But working with what I got right now and just going with that. So it's nice to meet you guys, and I can't wait to start going on this journey of this course.